Travel incentives have been used for decades by large sales and marketing organizations to generate billions of dollars in sales. They've been used to increase sales for eBay, Amazon, Century 21, Toyota, Dish Network, and thousands of others. The Greater Bank in Australia generated over $1 billion in loans by offering a switch to Greater and receive a free vacation promotion. Advertising Boost makes it incredibly easy to give out complimentary vacation certificates to your prospects and clients. And because we also own the fastest growing online travel company in the world, we handle all fulfillment of our vacation certificates in-house. You can feel comfortable knowing that we've already traveled over 1 million clients and we have over 22,000 customer video testimonials, more than anyone else on the planet. Here's how easy it is for you to give high-value vacation incentives to your clients. Simply enter in your client's name and email, select the destination, and click. Your client will receive an instant activation email, and they're on their way to a fabulous vacation destination. You can also print out our high-value vacation certificates directly from your home computer. Simply add the destination, the number of certificates you'd like to print, and click. This is a great option for offline businesses like restaurants, auto dealers, real estate, insurance, and much, much more. Alex Vidal said, I got 18 referrals on my first day, made $15,000 in less than 3 weeks, and used the money to hire a marketer, open a small office, and an administrator. Justin said, thanks to AdBoost, I made my first $10,000 sale, followed by a $5,500 sale this morning. Not bad for $49 spent and $0 on paid advertising. Taylor Morgan said, haven't had time to breathe, started my promotion yesterday, and it has generated almost $7,000 in sales on my website in about 24 hours, and it's not over yet. Should break $10,000 by the end of the day. Wow, just wow. Our members are doubling and tripling their profits from almost every industry imaginable. Sign up today for your no-obligation 7-day free trial, and you can even issue yourself a complimentary vacation to see firsthand the incredible value your customers will receive.
Eyeballs aren't working that good, but here's the thing. Flight was amazing. American Airlines.
Got us from A to B.
Yeah, A to B to C, and we arrived in C, Cancun.
Yep.
I will tell you the best thing in the world to do and recommend to all your guests, and we're talking about a cheat sheet for this, so this information is posted.
Right.
Go directly, once they clear customs, to the designated spot for the shuttle pickup to, how do you say it? The resort.
Vedante.
Vedante.
This is the Vedante Resort.
We are in the Vedante resorts. There are 7 of them here, guys. 7 beautiful places just like this one.
And it's a Cancun Bay experience.
Cancun Bay Experience is the shuttle company. We paid not a dime. We gave the driver a tip. But they try to catch you between immigration and going out on the curb to get to the shuttle. Oh, come here, I have a fantastic deal for you.
Yeah, come
just
stay at our
just try to avoid that.
Yeah.
Have your guests, just tell them directly. And we're going to talk to Andy and Marco and Monica about putting a sheet together for this. And it's something that you guys can give to your guests as you send them here. Possibly we put it in the FAQ or somewhere else, but we'll talk about it. But the thing is, you want your people to be not hassled. So
Right, you want to be
yeah,
prepared.
be prepared.
So it's like we'd already been on the website, printed off, booked ourselves onto
Exactly.
the free shuttle.
Exactly. So
So
there's
it
some
was super
stuff.
simple.
Yeah, it was extremely easy, and the shuttle ride was 35 minutes. Great
Not
driver.
long at all.
Then you arrive at what they call main gate. And the main gate is not where you check in.
No.
You go on a tram, what they call a little shuttle tram. They drive
Yeah.
probably about 25, 30 people in those little cars, kind of like Disney, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And they take you to the resort check-in front lobby that you've chosen. Now, in this one, we are at
The Mayan
the
Palace.
Mayan Palace,
Yeah.
not the Grand Mayan. It actually
Or the
starts at the
Bliss
Grand Mayan,
Resort
or the
or
Bliss,
whatever
etc.
the other ones
So,
are.
bottom line is, it's simple. It
Yeah.
was easy. It was fun.
Yeah.
It's hot. But
Yeah.
hey, we're here in August, right? Not in the middle of winter.
Yeah.
But quiet. This is their slow season. We kind of got the run of the place.
Mm-hmm.
Then you check in, and the experience was fantastic. Everything was good. We will tell you that they do require or recommend $1,000 on a credit card for the week stay.
Yeah.
What you don't use, there's no cash here. You don't use cash.
It's
You
all
don't hand your
charged
credit
to your
card.
hotel
It's all
room.
charged to the room,
Yeah.
whatever you purchase here.
Now, I can see we've got a question from somebody. I can't see the name though, but I can see that. Was there a big pitch for timeshare? No.
Not here. No,
No
we'll
pitch
talk about
at
that in just a
all.
second.
No.
The front desk experience was fantastic. Your keys are a little
Lovely
magnetic
lady.
thing.
Yeah, this is a
yeah.
key. I don't know if you can see. It's like a
Yeah.
little wristband.
Little
thing.
wristband, you can take it on and off, and it is waterproof. You can wear it in the pools, you can wear it in the ocean, they say. I took mine off. Bottom line is then they introduce you to a concierge or a hospitality person. We had this lovely lady, Maya.
I think her name was Maya.
Maya, we're going to
Yeah.
post up about her. She was absolutely fantastic. She took us to a lovely spot. This is where we thought we might get hit with the timeshare presentation,
wasn't.
and there wasn't any, because we were here not to do the timeshare presentation, as you will be sending your folks through Advertising Boost. So here's the thing. She spent 15 great minutes with us, explaining to
With
us
a map.
with a map.
To say this is where
Yeah.
you'll be staying. These are the pools. These are the restaurants. You can have buffet in the morning from these
Exactly.
three places. There are different places you can go in the evening when you have a meal. There's a free show that starts at 8 p.m. So there's lots of different kinds of music every night of the week. And she said, so if you want to hear the Mexican music, there's that. If you want to hear more like tribute bands, 80s, 90s kind of stuff, then there's that.
Exactly.
So it was really good, and it's all in this like little brochure that they give you. And she also told us that they've just opened like 2 months ago this new area, which sounds a bit like a food court, because she said
Yeah.
they had different types of food available
Yeah.
and stuff. So
Talk about food. Let's talk about food. Last night we went to the one spot closest to the pools and closest to the ocean. We were in building number 3.
yeah,
So we're a less than 5-minute walk down this gorgeous, you feel like you're in a tropical paradise canopy with
Yeah.
birds, and it's just amazing. And you walk along a boardwalk. It's all over this beautiful wood boardwalk.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it opens up to this beautiful little buffet. And the meal there last night for our dinner, we were starving because we hadn't had lunch.
right. And because of the time difference, this is Central Time compared to
We're east,
Eastern.
only an hour, but still.
Yeah, but when you've been up since 3 a.m. in the morning, you're starving at
Exactly.
like 4 o'clock in the afternoon here. So luckily they have places that are open that do food then, because like the
Right.
main evening restaurants
6
don't
o'clock.
open till 6.
6 p.m. But then if you want to spend your day in the beach, the pools, this is a place of R&R. I'm going to be honest with you.
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to be doing a lot of this week. And gosh, we need it and we deserve it. Thank
Yeah.
you guys for sending us here.
Yes, thank you.
Absolutely phenomenal. There's a whole ton more. We want to fill you in as we go along. The area we're in right now is called, I call it the Grand Pool area. There are actually 7, if I counted correctly, amazing, huge pools. And you can walk around and go from pool to pool. And just beyond the pools, off to our left,
There's
and
a
I'm
beach.
going to, I don't know if I can see the controls, I'll flip this camera.
No, but I can see now we've got a few questions.
Go ahead.
So, is it Rita? You